Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where we explore ways to make your home both beautiful and functional. I'm so glad you're here today to join me on this exciting journey of home transformation. If you're living in a small space like this cozy apartment and want to make it look bigger and more stylish, you're definitely in the right place today. We're going to unlock the secrets to maximizing your living area without sacrificing an ounce of style. Today, I'm thrilled to share 4 simple yet incredibly effective tips that can truly transform your home, making it feel more expansive and chic. These aren't just quick fixes, they are fundamental design principles that will elevate your space. Let's dive right into these fantastic ideas and discover how you can maximize your living area with style. Get ready to be inspired and see your small space in a whole new light. Our first essential tip for creating a more open feel is to embrace light and bright colors throughout your space. This is a foundational principle in interior design for a reason, and it works wonders in smaller rooms. Painting your walls in soft whites, calming beiges, or delicate pastel shades can instantly make any room feel significantly more open and airy. These lighter hues reflect light, making the room appear larger and more inviting. Notice how these light tones on the furniture and cushions here beautifully bounce the natural light around, enhancing the overall brightness. This creates a seamless flow and prevents the room from feeling closed in. This clever technique creates a wonderful illusion of more space, all without requiring any major, costly renovations. It's an accessible and impactful change that anyone can implement in their home. It's a simple change that yields dramatic results, making your small apartment feel much larger and more inviting. You'll be amazed at the difference a fresh coat of light paint can make. Next up, let's talk about a truly magical element for small spaces: mirrors. They are absolutely your best friend. Mirrors are not just for checking your outfit, they are powerful design tools. Placing mirrors strategically, especially opposite windows or other light sources, works wonders by reflecting natural light and adding incredible depth to the room. This creates an optical illusion of more space. Just look at this mirror here. It instantly makes the room feel twice as big by bouncing the view outward, creating an expansive feel. It's like adding an extra window to your room, but without the construction. For an even more impactful effect, consider grouping a few mirrors together to create a stunning feature wall that amplifies light and space. This can become a beautiful focal point in your room. Mirrors are not just decorative, they are powerful tools for transforming the perception of your living area. They can truly open up a room and make it feel much more grand. Our third crucial tip is all about decluttering and making smart storage choices to maximize every inch of your small space. A tidy space always feels larger and more peaceful. Keeping surfaces clear is paramount to avoiding that cramped, overwhelming feeling that often plagues smaller homes. Every item should have a designated place, and unnecessary items should be removed. Invest in multifunctional pieces like this ottoman with its clever hidden storage, which serves dual purposes beautifully. It's a seat, a footrest, and a storage unit all in one, making it incredibly efficient. Vertical shelves are another fantastic solution, maximizing wall space without encroaching on precious floor room. It's all about efficiency. Think upwards when considering your storage needs. By thoughtfully organizing and utilizing every available nook, you can create a serene and functional environment. A well organized home contributes to a calm and productive mind. Finally, let's explore the power of thinking vertically to elevate your small space and draw the eye upward. This technique can dramatically change how a room feels. Tall plants, strategically placed wall mounted shelves, and captivating hanging art all work to make the ceiling feel significantly higher. This creates an illusion of grandeur and openness. This latter shelf here is a perfect example. It adds both valuable storage and undeniable style without crowding the floor area. It's a chic way to display your favorite books and decor items. It's an ideal solution for small spaces like ours, where every dimension counts in creating an illusion of grandeur. Utilizing vertical space is a game changer for compact living. Embracing vertical decor truly transforms the perception of height and openness in any compact living area. It's a simple yet effective way to make your home feel more spacious. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to making your small space feel bigger and more stylish with these 4 key strategies. I hope you found these tips incredibly helpful and inspiring. Remember, light colors, strategically placed mirrors, smart storage solutions, and embracing vertical decor are your secret weapons. These principles, when applied, will truly transform your home. I encourage you to try just one of these tips this weekend and witness the remarkable difference it can make in your home. Even a small change can have a huge impact on your living environment. If you loved this video and found these insights helpful, please take a moment to like this video and share your favorite tip in the comments below. I love hearing from you and seeing your creative ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic home hacks and design inspiration. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with more exciting tips and tricks for your home.